Hey guys, so now that you have just finished watching my reteach, I'm gonna go ahead and talk about our objective today and what strategy we'll be working on today. So today our objective is to revise sentences to improve structure and word choice. So today what we're going to do after you have read The Wimpy Kid, make sure that you write your central idea. Then we're going to go to our first question, and this is the one I'm going to be modeling. And today I'm going to show you a strategy and how we use this strategy in order to revise a sentence. So once you have read the paragraph, you read the sentence, you read the paragraph, you write the gist, you underline key words. Then you're going to read each answer choice, and then I'm going to review how we use arms. So the first thing I'm going to do is read the question. So what is the most effective revision to make in sentence 20? So I went ahead and I highlighted sentence 20. All the while it was a regular kid he had been thinking of a story about. So I see that, and I'm going to start with A, which is add a sentence. Well, it says we're going to revise, so we're not going to be adding a sentence here because it's not making us write a concluding sentence or adding to another paragraph. We're just trying to fix sentence 20. So remove words in the sentence. Well, I do see after a while it was a regular kid. Right here, it kind of doesn't really make sense. So I'm going to put that in red because I might have to remove that from my sentence. Now the next one is move words around in a sentence. So after a while, it was regular kid he. He right here, what is he talking about? I think I might have to move this around because he in this paragraph is talking about the author, and it's not talking about the kid, the character in the story. He represents the author. So it might be removed. I might have to remove them. I might have to move things around. Now substitute words in a sentence. I don't think there's anything here in my sentence that is telling me that I have to substitute, like there's a word, kind of like the last question that we did for bigger. There's nothing here that's telling me that I have to substitute a word. So I'm going to go with remove and move, and I'm going to look at my answer choices, and I'm going to tell you why or why not it's not that one. So all the while, a regular kid had been thinking about a story. Well, I know that I wanted to remove it was, so it did remove it, but it doesn't tell me, it's not talking about he, the author of the story. So I don't think it's A. So let's go to B. All the while, he had been thinking of a story about a regular kid. Well, I see that it did remove it was, and that it has he. After a while, he, who's he? The author had been thinking of a story about a regular kid. Okay, that sounds like it has the two remove and move, but I'm going to check the rest. See, all the while he had been thinking about a regular kid and a story. Well, he wasn't thinking separately about a regular kid and a story. He was thinking about a regular kid in the story. So it's not C because it's not two separate ideas that he was thinking about. He was thinking about this one idea with a regular kid involved in the story. And then D, after a while he had been thinking of a story. It was about a regular kid. Well, here I know that he did add he, and they did remove they didn't remove it was. So that's why I can't put this. Also, if I would have had this, I would have had to put a comma. It was about a regular kid. So that one's not written correctly. So my answer choice is B because it removed it was, and it shows the subject, he, the character, in the correct place. It's talking about he, the character, and not he, the kid. So this is how I'm highlighting, guys. So please make sure to highlight your answer, and then you would justify why. Can't wait to see your work. Bye.